Students, good afternoon. Welcome to the second part of the chapter chemical bonding. In this part, we will discuss about covalent bond and covalent compound. Okay, so how the covalent bond is formed? So, formation of covalent bond involves sharing of electron pairs between one atom, generally non-metallic, and another atom also non-metallic, means there will be sharing of electrons takes place between two non-metallic atoms. Electron in valence shells are mutually shared by the atoms of each element such that each atom acquires a stable electronic configuration. Okay, so non-metals, like suppose that an element X which have 7 valence electron, it requires one electron to complete their octet, then it will share one electron with other element to complete their octet. Non-metallic atom 2 7, non-metallic atom 2 7. Here one electron this and one electron this will share between two atoms, and they will get acquires their electronic configuration, and there will be two electrons shared between these two XX elements, and a single covalent bond will form between them. Non-metallic atom others Y, which have 6 valence electron, it has also 6 valence electron, so they requires 2 electrons to complete their octet, so they will share 2 electrons to complete their octet. Okay, so here you can see here that they are shared 2 electrons each, and there will be a double bond will form between them. Okay, a element Z which have 5 valence electron, and it has also 5 valence electron, and they have required 3 electrons to complete their octet, so they will share 3 electrons with each other, and there will be a triple bond, covalent bond will form. Okay, dissimilar non-metallic atoms forms covalent molecules by sharing electrons pair. For example, there are two elements A, B, A. A element have 1 electron in valence shell, B element 6 electron in their valence shell, and other A element which have also 1 electron in their valence shell. So this A element combine sharing and complete 2 electrons, and this B element share 2 more electrons to complete their octet. So the sharing will occur like this: 2 electrons sharing between this, and 2 electrons sharing between like this, and there will be 2 single bonds will form two between these 3 atoms. Okay, so covalent bond, the chemical bond formed due to mutual sharing of electron between the given pair of atoms and non-metallic elements. Bond formed by the shared pair of electron. Each bonding atom contributes 1 electron to the pairs. Okay, so if there are 1 electron sharing take place, single bond will form. 2 electrons sharing takes place, double bond is formed, and 3 electrons by each element will share with each other, triple bond will form. Covalent compound, the chemical compound formed due to the mutual sharing of electrons between the given pair of atoms, thereby forming a covalent bond between them. Covalency, the number of electron pairs which an atom shared with the other with one or more atom is known as the covalency. Of the same or different kind of achieve stable electronic configuration is called covalency. Now come to the non-polar covalent compound and polar covalent compounds. So covalent compounds are said to be non-polar when shared pair of electrons equally distributed to atoms. Okay, when sharing of electron between two atoms are equal, then this type of bonding is known as non-polar covalent type of bonding, and no charge separation takes place, and the covalent molecule is symmetrical and electrically neutral. For example, H2Cl2 O2 N2CH4 and Cl4 CCl4. Okay, other one is polar covalent bond. So covalent compounds are said to be polar when shared pair of electrons are unequally distributed the two atoms, and here the sharing of electron will be different between two atoms. charge separation takes place and the atom which attracts electrons more strongly develops a slightly negative charge. Okay, for example H2O, NH3 and HCl. So here you can say due to more electronegative of chlorine atom, it will attract the shared pair of electron toward itself and carry a slightly negative charge. Okay, so these are polar and non-polar type of covalent compounds. Okay, now formation of some compounds and their example. For example hydrogen. So hydrogen has one electron when in their valence shell, then they will share one electron each and there will be a single bond, covalent bond will form. Okay, and in form of atomic orbital structure you can represent like this. Okay, so you can see here there are two electron sharing takes place. Chlorine, non-polar covalent compound. So chlorine has 7 electron their valence shell. Then it will share one electron each. So you can see here there are two electrons of sharing and there will also a single bond, single covalent bond will form. Okay, like that chlorine. You can say for oxygen, oxygen has 6 electrons in their valence shell, then they require 2 electrons to complete their octet. So there are total 4 electron sharing will takes place, so there will be double bond formed. Okay, you can see in form of orbital structures also here. Okay, now nitrogen, it has 5 valence electron in their valence shell, so they have required 3 electrons to complete their octet. So there are total sharing of 6 electrons, so there will be triple bond formed between two nitrogen atom. So all these atom shows sharing of electrons according to their octet, completion of octet. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.